Right, we're Sunday morning or Sunday lunchtime, just leaving the motorhome to go down to a local classic car show just down the road. So why don't you come along with us? Where do you want to? Oh, there's a lot here, isn't there?
This is quite alright, yeah.
Yeah, shall we?
Jag engine, mate.
Supercharged Jaguar.
1.2 V8.
Yeah. Intercooled AJ V8.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, that's clean, isn't it?
Yeah, lovely, yeah.
Two.
It's got the original pepper pot wheels, Kevin.
Is that what they're called?
Yes.
It has, hasn't it? Yeah. We can smell the polish and everything. Oh, I like that dash thing, that cover he's got on his dashboard.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, it does take you back to 80s, that.
Aye.
Right. Jowett cars. Idle? I didn't know they were in Idle.
Yeah.
In Bradford.
Yeah.
Is that in, international?
Harvesters. Well, I think
Oh,
it was
around
near.
there?
I think it was near Ecclesall and Idle.
Yeah.
Could be wrong. Nice little mini.
Yeah.
Nice colour, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Council van yellow.
Council.
It is council van yellow, isn't it? That's what I call it.
Got BT, maybe.
Tranny van, whether you like dressing up in women's clothing or not.
I'm going to spend all day editing this out, aren't I?
Oh, yeah. All this.
Look at the finish on that paint work.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Beautiful wood. Oh look, there's a Spitfire down there. You see it?
What's that? Dagger, dagger, dagger. You can teach monkeys to fly better than that. Yeah.
Oh, is it BMW?
Well, there were two, weren't there? There were a Messerschmitt, there were a Beamer, there were another one.
Yeah, this is the BMW one, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think. Yeah.
One with four wheels.
There you are,
Four
look.
wheels, isn't it?
It's got the BMW sign on the side.
Yeah. That's got four. Yeah, some have four and some have three.
I thought they looked a bit different at back.
Yeah. It's a little tip over on corners.
Yeah, that's a single wheel one there, isn't it?
Yeah. But they are better with two at the front. I don't know why I believe Reliant decided to put one at the front and two at the back. It's ridiculous. That's why it kept falling over.
Did they?
Yeah. You see Clarkson tested years ago.
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Going around corners in Sheffield.
Yeah.
Whoops, done it again.
Yeah.
Excellent, wasn't it? Yeah.
Huge American cars.
I was a polishing your chrome.
A Buick 8. It's nearly as long as Motorhome, this.
Really is one of that. This is probably a little bit longer.
I'd say, yeah.
Imagine driving that.
It's
Try
absolutely
to park it in Morrison's car park.
massive.
Try to park it in
It's
Morrison's
massive.
car park. You wouldn't open doors, would you? Just start climbing out.
Jump out.
Yeah.
Nice, isn't it?
Beautiful. Absolutely lovely. What was that, Jack?
Not pretty Tracey in green, do you think? Look at them lovely leather seats. That dashboard. XJS.
Yeah,
It's a 1953 XK120 drop head. Lovely. Look at the value. Estimated between 75 and 90,000. This is 73 E-Type V12 Coupe. It's estimated between 40 and 50. Auto as well.
Yeah. 3-speed. 3-speed.
Hmm? Yeah. Let's have a look at the engine.
I don't want to mess about with anything like that. Yeah. Oh, absolutely, yeah.
Car.
Cute.
Which model is that? Just looking.
TA.
TA.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1936.
1936. Wow, that's had a life. You had it?
18 months.
Oh, 18 months.
Yeah.
Right.
So I've had it long, so just getting used to it, and obviously then lockdown came, so not done a lot of mileage in it.
No.
Just,
Did you have much to do on it?
no, it was a runner when I bought it.
Yeah.
So the only things I've done is upgraded the lighting to LED for safety, and
Yeah.
put new wheels on because the spokes were broken.
Yeah.
A lot of the spokes
Oh,
were broken
yeah,
on
they
the
look-
other one.
They look absolutely beautiful, them wheels.
But apart from that, just fix the vapor lock issue
Yeah.
that it has. So basically, you move the carbs away from the engine a little bit to
All
stop
right.
the vapor lock.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But apart from that, as is at the moment,
Yeah. All original. Apart from them things. Yeah,
well,
so-
it's not got its original engine. The previous
Oh, is
owner
it
blew
not?
that up.
right.
So it ain't got an XP. It's got an X-Pack engine in, which is from a later model.
Okay.
So, but that was from the previous owner.
Yeah. Yeah.
He used to race it, so
Did they?
that's why engine
Yeah.
blew up.
Yeah. All right. Nice.
Do-
Hill climbs and all that
Hill climbs
kind
and
of
stuff,
thing.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's lovely. Yeah, it's a beautiful car. My first car.
I'm looking forward to that.
Triumph 1300.
But I've done some at me. This right leg, I've damaged me.
That is clean. That's tidy, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is the TC model. Mine, I think mine was just the basic.
Oh, yours was TC.
Would it?
Yeah. No, Badger back.
All right. Oh, do you know some? I wish I hadn't sold it.
Was a 3-door.
4-door. It was, yeah. I had a 1970 Triumph
Well, this
1300.
isn't an original TC.
Right.
They came out in '67.
Right.
This
Okay.
is a '66.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
When the guy that had it before me had it, decided to restore it, he
Yeah.
had it TC spec, so
All
they
right.
made it a
Yeah.
TC.
The lovely
So
little
it's the only
cars.
66 TC in existence,
Right.
but it isn't an original TC.
It's an original, right?
But oh yeah, I mean Triumph, the Dolomite Club have valued it quite high.
Yeah.
They said there's nothing to another
Yeah.
one like that
Isn't it?
anywhere in the country, and it's a
Yeah.
front wheel drive.
Yeah.
Very, very few front wheel
Yeah.
drives now.
Yeah.
They're rear wheel drives.
Yeah, I think mine was front wheel drive.
Was it?
It was 69 to 70.
It might
Originally.
it might just escape through to that. I think it was 69 when they bought the front wheel drive.
Yeah, it's that long ago now. It was
just
1976
on the
when I had it.
Yeah.
I'm just
Well,
saying.
I mean, they're a lovely car. And they're really
I regret, I was only young then. I regret selling it because every time I see one, you don't see many.
No, you
Oh,
don't.
very few.
Yeah,
No, they're few
and
and far
especially in this
Yeah.
condition. I mean,
Oh, I mean,
You know, when
I've got a hell of a lot of history with it and a lot of receipts. But God, I've never tried totaling up what the hell he spent on it.
Yeah.
It'd be well more than he'd got for it.
yeah,
But he passed away a couple of years ago, and his daughter had it in a garage, and then she decided to sell it. So
yeah.
I knew the car, and somebody gave me the nod. It was up for sale. So
Oh,
I thought,
you were
I'll
in.
have that.
You were in. You couldn't resist that. I'd have been the same. I would. I'd have been the same. 1966. It's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
Really is.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
underneath's the same. It was, when he did it, he had the underneath sprayed, so it's the same
Yeah.
as the top. So
Oh,
there's no-
all right. So
there's
it's
there's no
sprayed over underseal.
no. They stripped it all and then just sprayed it.
All right.
So there's no underseal on it. Or anything,
No.
So I only bring it out when it's dry, really.
Well, you do, yeah.
I mean,
if,
I could do it, but I thought, well, it spoils it. doesn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, the mirrors are still in there. Obviously, it was concourse when he did it. He
Yeah.
got the mirrors on.
Yeah.
He's won a lot of trophies.
Yeah. Yeah.
I was saying to Mel, the daughter sold it me, but
his mother, her mother, wouldn't let the trophies go.
No.
She's got it, got them all in
Yeah,
the thing,
yeah,
and she
yeah.
wanted it. I can understand that.
Yeah,
you know.
yeah,
She's
yeah,
lost her
sentimental
husband and
value,
the car's
yeah.
gone, but
Yeah,
she wanted to keep
yeah.
the trophies. So,
Yeah.
but I did say to him, if they ever decided to sell them or
Yeah.
get rid of them, I'd have them.
Yeah, yeah,
would they
yeah,
let me have
yeah,
them?
yeah,
Now then,
Hey Derek, are you okay?
I am. You?
yeah.
Yeah. Not bad.
Lovely car, beautiful.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
You're not still selling it, are you? Yeah. Still selling it, yeah. Nice.
And what there is, lad?
Yeah, well,
Hey, if he's selling it, I mean. Alright. I missed that.
Yeah.